still in the Irving submarket. We're walking a mid-60s vintage construction project. This property used to be all brick on the siding, but as you can see, they've kind of replaced it with some hardy.
What a lot of people will do.
Planking.
So on this property, we financed it with I think a Fannie Mae loan probably 3 or 4 years ago, and then so they did the hardy siding, painted it. It still smells like paint out here, and then
yeah, it does,
did
actually.
the new balconies. And so a new buyer can come in, probably just do either a Fannie Freddie loan on this property. I'm not sure on the interiors right now. When they bought the property, occupancy was probably 70% because of the amount of deferred maintenance. But now that the exterior has been cleaned up, the occupancy is getting closer to 90%, 95%.
All right, let's go take a look at the roof.
We're out there in Irving taking a look at not only the property but going a little bit higher up in the air to get a better vantage point on some of these properties. James, what do we see out there?
Yeah, today we went vertical. We saw a little bit of ponding on the roof, as you would expect with flat roofs that were built in the 60s. Gonna need a little bit more CapEx, a little bit more maintenance, but you know, the property overall's come a long way since they started, so it's looking pretty good.